Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. These are my tomato plants which I shared in my other video. I think another 2 weeks I can collect tomatoes from my garden as winter is just approaching now. Today I'll share another Bengalis all-time favorite recipe which is tomato chutney. As Bengalis can't finish their food without Swiss, same they need chutney as well. My today's collection all are in different sizes. And tomato chutney with papad bhaja, wow, perfect combination. Looks so fresh from my garden. So let's prepare tomato chutney now. First, chopped tomatoes in small pieces. In this chutney, I'll use 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 15 to 20 raisins, 1 sheet mango pepper, which we call amshatto as well. And for tempering, I'll use half teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 dry red chili. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and once it's hot enough, add dry red chili. Now I'll add half teaspoon mustard seeds, and then I'll add chopped tomatoes. Here I'll add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix everything well. And then cover and cook for 7 minutes till the tomatoes become soft. After 7 minutes, you can see the tomatoes become soft now. Now I will add sugar. As per your taste, you put the sugar, mix the sugar. And again mix everything and put the lid again and leave it for another 7 minutes to cook. Now tomatoes become soft like tomato pulp. Now time to add dry fruits. First I'll add cashew nuts and then raisins. This is pepper, which we call amshatto in Bengali. I'm going to add amshatto as well. This amshatto or mango pepper enhance the taste of your chutney. Give it a good mix. Again I'll put the lid back. So mango pepper becomes soft. Mix with tomato pulp and makes the chutney thicker. Check the consistency. It depends on your taste. Basically, this chutney should be thick, not runny. Try this chutney with fried papad. Our tomato chutney is ready. It's time to serve now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.